Good morning. So today we're going to do our reading comprehension. So kindergartens, welcome to your first day of school. So for the past week, we have been doing reading comprehension, and this is what we read about 4 or 5 lines, and then we go over to the right, and then you take and you read, you answer the comprehension questions. And the comprehension questions are just to ask you, just to make sure that you understood what it is that you read. So today we're going to do My Pet Hen. And so you always start with the title, but please make sure that you put your name, your first and last name on your paper. So the title is My Pet Hen. And so we can go word by word. Can you see my pet hen? My hen is little. My hen is brown. My hen can lay lots of eggs. So we're going to read it again. My pet hen. Can you see my pet hen? My hen is little. My hen is brown. My hen can lay lots of eggs. So now we're going to answer the comprehension questions. So number 1, I have a pet. What? Is it A, a horse, B, a cow, or C, a hen? And so we can always go back to the passage, and it says, can you see my pet what? Hen. So we're going to underline the hen, because this is our context clue. Hen. Good job. So then number 2, my hen is what? So let's go back to the passage and see what it says. So the choices are A, little and yellow, B, little and brown, or C, big and brown. So if you get stuck, you can always go back to the passage. My hen is 1, it tells us that it's little. Let's go to the next line. My hen is brown. So it's little and brown. So the answer is going to be B, little and brown. So now let's see what the last question is. My hen can A, lay lots of eggs, B, hop, or C, jump high. So now we go back to the text. My hen can what? Lay lots of eggs. And we underline that. And so the answer is going to be A. So we've done passages like this for a whole week now. She said, and it's just getting into the groove of reading for understanding. The comprehension part comes in when we ask the questions and how we can go back into the text and find our answers. You don't have to go outside of the text for anything. So enjoy your Monday. Welcome, kindergartens. Again, get ready for a year of fun and growth.